Hello and welcome. It's Susan. Today I'm going to be doing a bloom. Yesterday I did a staggered swipe and I have some leftover paint from that and I just want to use it up. It's the same recipe that I will be putting on my in my description. So I'm going to try and do a bloom today with the same colors. The only difference is I'm not using a black base. I'm going to be using a pillow. Yesterday I just used black Artist Law Flow acrylic. Today I'm going to be using house paint. So my colors are going to be, this is Deco Art Extreme Sheen Pink Tourmaline. And I'm going to be using the same Deco Art Extreme Sheen 24 karat gold. Also, I'm using Golden Open Dioxazine Purple. Basics Brilliant Purple. My CA cell activator is Amsterdam Lamp Black. I didn't use any of this. I don't know why I put that in there. I didn't use white cell activator. I think I was going to, but decided not to. So in my cell activator, I use Australian Floetrol. And this is the pillow I'm going to be using. It's a mist tint that I got from, I'm not even sure where I got this, but it's Glidden Ultra Interior Latex Eggshell. And the color is not the greatest color. It's kind of like a pinky cream color, but most of it's going to be tilted off, so I thought I'd just give it a try and see what this was like. Okay, we'll get to it. I forgot to mention that my pouring medium is Beauty Tone Signature Series Interior Enamel Acrylic Paint, semi-gloss, and it's clear base. And this is very thick paint, so I mixed half and half with just regular Floetrol. It's in a different bottle, but it's not the Australian Floetrol. So I mixed half and half with this, and that is my pouring medium. And it's no varnish at all. Before I begin, I'm going to try and show you the consistency of the paint. Let's hope I can get it on camera here, or you can see. Just makes a little tiny mound in the bottom. I'll try with my other color. See if I can get that one to... No, I don't think you can see this one. It's too dark. Might be able to. Yeah, just there, barely. Just a tiny mound in the bottom. Okay, I'm ready to put my base coat down. This is the hard way to do it, but I guess I could have just poured it. Oh well, doesn't matter. It's working out this way, and it seems to be moving quite fast, so I gotta quickly grab some stuff here to stop it from going over the edge. Okay. And it's going over. I think this turntable is on a bit of a tilt, so everything seems to come this way. So I think I'm going to add one more spoonful inside. Okay, and do this quick. Should I do first? Then the lighter purple. This base color looks kind of ugly, pillow color, but most of it will be tipped off, and hopefully you won't see anything through it, and it will look okay. I hope anyway. I'll find out. Okay, quickly move you to the side so you can see me blow the pillow. I think I'm too close. Oh, I guess that's all right. I guess that's okay. I'll move there. I guess that's okay. Okay, so far so good. I'm gonna try and spin it first, see what happens. Ooh. Wow, that looks pretty cool. I want to try and cover this up, so I wonder if I can just tip it. Oh, I like it. Interesting. I'm fussy on the stripy things, but I don't know if I can stretch it anymore, or if I can tilt that part off. I think I'm just going to leave it there. Looks like you can see the color through here, here, and here. The pinky beige color. I wonder what this would look like on... what did I do? I put down purple first, then the other purple, then gold. I'm going to do it on a little tile, and I'm going to change the order of the paint and see what that looks like. But first I'm going to show you a close-up of this.